That Neelam Show. I hope you all are staying home and staying safe. I'm also staying home, and as you know, we have to keep creating content for our Instagram and YouTube. So I have been using some of the creative photography ideas to create my Instagram post, and why not share it with you guys? मैंने अपने घर की सारी चीजें यूज करके कुछ फोटोशूट्स करे हैं अपने Instagram post के लिए, and I thought of sharing it with you guys. So today I'm here with my favorite creative photoshoot ideas at home. So let's begin. So in this idea, what we want to do is shadow photography. So the plan is to use the sunlight and create shadows on the object. So I being the object over here, I'm trying to create shadows over my face or like my hand or anything. But the problem is कि 2-3 दिन से बारिश वाला मौसम है, तो sunlight तो है नहीं. So let's try and use some artificial light, like maybe the torch light or something from our phones, and create the post. Alright, so I think we got some really nice pictures with using this basket, and now I have this leaf right over here, and let's create some pictures with this. Alright, a quick change of dress for the aesthetics. I wanted to create some sari pictures in this costume, but my sari net wasn't that prominent and it didn't work. I have here my black top. It has a nice designer net, as you can see. So fingers crossed, I hope we get some good pictures out of this. And for the last part of the shadow photography, I have this, my mosquito bath. So let's see what pictures we get out of this. Alright, so now we are going to create some interesting pictures using the artificial lights, like fairy lights. So let's hop into it. Okay, so fairy light shoot is done and we've got some really cool pictures out of it. Now we are going to do another interesting thing using our TV as a light source. So let's see what pictures do we get out of that. Alright, so we got some really amazing shots, and you can easily recreate these shots using any camera that you use for photo shoots or even your mobile phones. It's super easy. Now moving on, and I'm going to create some fun shots with this camera that I'm vlogging with. This is my Osmo Action camera, and it'll be easy to recreate these pictures using any other action cam that you have, or even if you have a phone which has a wide lens in it. So let's get to it. Alright, so for the first idea, I'm going to keep my action camera in some unusual places. तो फ्रिज का कुछ सामान बाहर निकालो और इसको प्लेस करें. Create a frame. I'm putting some interesting things to create a frame. खाते कभी नहीं किसान जाना, फोटो भी यूज करते हैं. That's it. यार बिस्किट की पैकेट में क्या कर रहे हो? Alright, so the second shot was with the Osmo Action inside my biscuit packet. Let's move on to the next one. Alright, so the next thing that we are going to do is something that we call the Juta shot. So I'm actually going to place my camera at a lower angle, and then we'll be clicking some cool pictures. And these kind of shots actually work really well on Instagram. So let's check that out. Alright, now so the next thing that we are going to do is called POV shots, the point of view shots, and this again I'm going to use my Osmo Action only, but this is something totally new to me because I have also never tried it. So let's see how they turn out. Alright. Dude, I can totally see you smiling. Come on, the counter is running. I gotta do my job. वरना मुझे भी वीडियो से निकाल सकते हैं, you know. Okay, so that was up for today's video. We created amazing pictures, and I hope you all enjoyed watching them. And this wouldn't have been possible without the help of Dave, aka Small Town Punter. So if you're planning on recreating any of these pictures, don't forget to tag us in your post. Okay, and if you did enjoy watching it, give it a huge thumbs up. Also, comment करके मुझे बताओ कि कौन सा आपका favorite post था. And yes, share it with your friends so that they can also create amazing content. And यार please subscribe कर देना. मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ, आप हमेशा सुनते हो, but आपकी बात कर रही हूँ मैं. आपने subscribe नहीं किया है, तो करो अभी. And hit the bell icon. एक बार, बस एक बार, बार नहीं, okay? So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, stay home, and stay amazing. Bye.